Hi guys, today I'm going to be doing my skincare routine, so let's get straight into the video. So first off, we're going to be starting with coconut oil to take off our makeup. So we're just going to rub this over our entire face. So next we're going to be taking the Johnson's Foaming Facial Soap-Free Cleanser, and we're just going to apply this over our entire face. So now we're going to be taking the Biore toner, and we're just going to put a little bit of that on a cotton pad, and then we're going to apply that all over our face like this, and that will just ensure that all of your makeup has come off. Okay, so next we're going to be taking a facial oil. We're going to be taking the Burt's Bees facial oil, and we're just going to put a couple of drops on our face in our cheek area where it's more dry, and we're just going to rub that in. So next we're going to be taking the Burt's Bees Sensitive Night Cream, and we're just going to put a little bit of that on our face like this. And then we're going to be taking the Tea Tree Body Shop Targeted Gel. That you put this on your blemishes, and then you're done. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video and you found it helpful. Make sure you like, comment and subscribe, and see you in the next video.